This is the Hypop Did You Know series, and today we're going to go through our 1.8 meter stands, or our 6-foot stands. So we've got two different types of stands here. You can see they collapse down in different heights, but they're actually the same height when extended. So firstly is the standard stand. So this standard stand here is a typical light stand. So if you've seen light stands before, it works in the same way. So when you loosen the knob there, push that down, you can see that the legs open up like a typical tripod does. So, and when you go to collapse it, they fold in on each other like that. So that's your typical 1.8 meter light stand. Whereas you've got the collapsible 1.8 meter light stand. So this one here is a little different. It's a lot more compact. So if you're after a portable stand, this is probably the one to look at. These 1.8 stands are perfect to mount just small lights, LED lights, flashlights, speed lights, things like that. But this stand here, you can see the legs, they actually fold in opposite directions. So you open them up, it's easier to do it with two hands. Let's move this out of the way. And pulling down on the legs until they go into the opposite direction like a typical light stand would. So there we go. So you've got your typical stand set up just like that. So yeah, basically those are the two differences. If you're after just a normal stand that you use indoors, that's a good one. Otherwise, a real portable stand that you can use outdoors and indoors as well would be the collapsible 1.8 stand.